How to opt out of the QRMP scheme. Why contact Finac Books? GST taxpayers are really going through a tough time as they do not find any way to opt out of a QRMP scheme. Earlier, they didn't take any action, and because of that, the option is default selected as monthly or quarterly. Now, the taxpayer who have chosen the wrong scheme find it difficult to transfer from monthly to quarterly or quarterly to monthly scheme. In this video, we will tell you how to opt out from the selected scheme and choose the right one. How to opt out of the QRMP scheme? First, go to the GST portal www.gst.gov.in. Second, log in with your username and password. Third, click on the dashboard, choose Return and choose the option Opt in for quarterly return. Fourth, if you want to see your status for the first quarter, that is January to March, select the financial year 2021 as the scheme has been launched on 1st January 21 and click on the Search tab. You can see that the January to March monthly option has already been frozen and it only shows the quarterly option in the tab Selected Frequency. You can't do modification as the date of choosing the scheme, whether monthly or quarterly, for this quarter has already been passed 2 months before. Fifth, then select the financial year 21-22 and click on Search tab to see the status of all future quarters. Now you can see that all the future quarters details are displayed over the screen. If you check the next quarter, that is April to June, you will see that both the options, monthly or quarterly, are enabled under the tab Selected Frequency. Now you can easily change it by opting to a monthly or quarterly scheme as it is now enabled from 1st February 21 to 30th April 21. Available 2 months before the starting of the quarter to the last date of the first month of the quarter. So if you have chosen the scheme wrong as monthly, now you can change it as quarterly in the upcoming quarter, that is April to June, and opt out from the previous one or vice versa. Sixth, you can see that the dates for every quarter are mentioned over the screen and you can easily choose between the monthly or quarterly scheme as per your choice. You must be aware of these dates as your clients can approach you for opting in or out of the scheme in any quarter. Note, if you have chosen the right option as monthly or quarterly, there is no need for you to change it. You only have to change it if you have chosen the wrong scheme earlier. I hope this video might help you understand how to opt out of the QRMP scheme under GST. Please post your queries, comments below this video and subscribe to our channel for regular updates. You can also call us at 8800 221252 or email us at info@finacbooks.com. Thank you.